In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in Draw.io, also known as Diagrams.net, to create clean, interactive diagrams inside Confluence and Jira. Layers are a powerful way to organize your diagrams so they don't feel cluttered. Think of them like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each sheet can hold related shapes or content, and you can show or hide those sheets whenever you need. This is especially useful when your diagrams get complex, or when you want to create interactive presentations where certain parts appear only at the right moment. To get started, open your diagram in Draw.io inside Confluence or Jira. First, you need to make sure the Layers panel is visible. Go to the top menu, click on View, and then select Layers. As soon as you do that, a Layers panel will appear, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is your control center for everything related to layers. Inside that panel, you'll see a list of layers. If it's a new diagram, you'll typically have just one default layer. To add more, look for the plus icon in the Layers panel and click it. Each time you click the plus icon, a new layer is created. You can rename these layers to match their purpose, like background, annotations, or advanced details, so it's easy to remember what goes where. Now, let's organize your shapes into those layers. On your diagram canvas, click to select one or more shapes you want to move. With those shapes selected, go back to the Layers panel and assign them to the appropriate layer. Depending on your version, this might be through a right-click menu or an option within the panel. The idea is to group related elements together so you can control them as a set. Once your content is organized into layers, you can start using the eye icon next to each layer name. Clicking this icon will toggle the visibility of that layer on or off. When the eye is visible, that layer's shapes appear on your diagram. When it's off, those shapes are hidden. This makes it easy to declutter your view while editing and is also what enables interactive presentations. When presenting in Confluence or Jira, you can simply turn layers on or off at the right moments to reveal additional details, highlight specific sections, or simplify what your audience sees. By combining thoughtful layer naming, good organization, and the visibility toggle, you'll be able to build diagrams that are both powerful and easy to navigate.